Hi guys, Dave here. Today we're going to talk to you through our Kubota Z242 residential mower and why this is the best pick for you. So this Kubota Z242 mower is perfect for all of your residential applications due to its strength and reliability. So one being it has a full chassis for making this mower very strong and long lasting. It also has a fabricated 48-inch mowing deck that is 5 inches in depth, allowing for plenty of airflow and clearing all of your grass or your mowing. It also has a 22 horsepower petrol engine on this machine, supplying plenty of power through to your 48-inch cut mowing deck. It also has a ROPS certified bar for all protection you need. The heavy padded seat on this also comes standard with armrests for comfort to rest your elbows while you're mowing. So jumping up onto this mower to look at the controls. On your left hand side is your park brake lever. So it's just a release or engage. You have your control levers. So these control levers are weighted. So when you're pushing them, they will hold, and this reduces any vibration coming through this machine to stop fatigue. It also has adjustable levers on this, so you can change the position to high or roll them forward or back to suit any operator for comfort. On the right hand side here, you have your K-lift pedal, which controls the lowering and raising of your mowing deck. So to lower the mowing deck, it's just a push and release. To lock it up, push and lock again. It does have another second position, so if you need to move it closer, you can move it closer if you need. So to set your cutting height, again, as all the Kubota Zero-Turns, you have a dial height setting. So it's just turning left or right to get the correct cutting height for you. On the side, you have your engine throttle. Yellow button is your blade engagement, so it's just pulling it up to engage your cutting blades, pushing it down to stop. On this mower as well, it has a push button start and a choke for your cold morning or cold starts. This one here is just your fuel cap, so just for fueling up for your petrol. With the Kubota Z242 mower, the floor also comes out for easy access through to your belts to be able to clean and maintain this machine. While you're there, you can also toollessly remove your safety covers off your outside spindles to be able to clean the mowing deck effectively. So in the operating area as well, for your fuel, there's just your gauge in the front here. So that just gives you access so you can see the fuel tank to see how much fuel is left in your mower. So with the Kubota Z242, it has Hydrogear ZT3100 Hydrogear transmissions, which are serviceable transmissions available in our residential range. That concludes our walk around of the Kubota Z242 48-inch cut mowing deck and showing you exactly why this is the perfect residential mower for you. For any more information on this, please see our details below.